Next section, emotional intelligence. What is meant by emotional intelligence? It is the ability to identify, assess, and control the emotions of oneself, of others, and groups. Can you define emotional intelligence? It is the innate potential to feel, use, communicate, recognize, remember, learn from, manage and understand emotion. History of emotional intelligence. The earliest roots of emotional intelligence traced to Charles Darwin's work on the importance of emotional expression for survival. For instance, early as 1920, E.L. Thorndike used the term social intelligence to describe the skill of understanding and meaning of other people. Characteristics of emotional intelligence. First, it is innate potential. Second, it depends on the ability to feel emotions. Third, its ability to remember feeling. 4. Each person has unique potential for emotional sensitivity. 5. Self-awareness. They know their strengths and weakness, and they work on these areas so they can perform better. 6. Self-regulation. This is the ability to control emotions and impulses. People who self-regulate become too angry or jealous. They think before they act. Seven, motivation. People with a high EI are willing to defer immediate result for long-term successes. They are highly productive, love a challenge, and are effective in whatever they do. Nine, empathy. This is the ability to identify with and understand the wants, needs, and viewpoint of these around you, judging too quickly and they honest. 10. Social skills. People with strong social skills are typically team players rather than focus on their own successes. They help others to develop. Components of EI. First component, emotional appraisal, an expression of emotion. Second, emotional facilitation and thinking. Third, understanding and analyzing emotional knowledge. Importance of development of emotional intelligence. First important, moral development. Second, development of discipline. Third, development of self-concept development. How to improve emotional intelligence? First, do not interrupt or change the subject. Second, do not judge or edit your feelings too quickly. 3. See if you can find connections between your feelings. 4. Connect your feelings with your thoughts. 5. Listen to your body. 6. If you do not know how you are feeling, ask someone else. 7. Turn into your unconscious feelings. 8. Ask yourself, how do I feel today? 9. Write thoughts and feelings down. 10. Know when enough is enough. Tips for practicing emotional intelligence. First, understand the importance of emotional intelligence in all aspects of your life. Second, learn to recognize stress triggers. 3. Be open-minded. 4. Be outgoing and empathetic. 5. Be conscious and prepared to deliberate. 6. Be attentive and self-aware. Know thyself. 7. Practice communication skills. 8. Be optimistic. Need of emotional intelligence. First, nursing career development. Second, skill development. Third, emotional intelligence, IQ, personality. 4. Emotional intelligence, predict performance. 5. You can increase your emotional intelligence. 6. Emotional intelligence and job performance. Look at this nursing career development. Emotional intelligence and job performance. Research of EI and job performance shows mixed results. A positive relation has been found in some of the studies. In other, there was no relations or an inconsistent one. Models of emotional intelligence. First, ability model. Second, trait model. 3. Mixed model. Detail going on. First, ability model. Slave and Mayer's consumption of emotional intelligence. Strive to define emotional intelligence within the standard criteria for a new intelligence. The model claims that emotional intelligence include 4 types of abilities. A. Perceiving emotions. The ability to detect and disappear emotions in faces, pictures, voices. B. Cultural artifacts, including the ability to identify one's own emotions. C. Using emotions, the ability to bind emotions to facilitate various cognitive activities such as thinking and problem solving. D. Understanding emotions, the ability to comprehend emotion language and to appreciate complicated relationship among emotions. E. Managing emotions. The ability to regulate emotions in both ourselves and in others. Second, trait model. Trait emotional intelligence is a group of emotional self-perceptions located at the lower level of personality. Traits. Third, mixed model. The model introduced by Daniel Goleman focuses on emotional intelligence as a wide collection of competencies and skills that derive leadership, performance. Qualities of people with high emotional intelligence. First, they are not perfectionists. Second, they know how to balance work and play. Third, they hold change. Four, they do not get easily distracted. Five, they are empathetic. Six, they know their strengths and weaknesses. Seven, they are self-motivated. Eight, they do not dwell in the past. 9, they focus on the positive. 10, they set boundaries. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.